YouTube friends, I'm stopping by with an updated video on how to make this beautiful cake for special girls, birthday, women's mom, sister, whoever. And I'm sure they'll enjoy it, and this is a little bit of the process. If you're not familiar with the recipe on how to make this vanilla cake or the simple syrup, it is listed within this YouTube channel, so be sure to check that out. But basically, once I allowed the cake to cool in cling wrap to lock in that moisture, I went ahead and laid them on the cake board here with, of course, a base of whipped cream, right on the surface there, or in your case, if you will be using buttercream frosting, you can go ahead and spread that on the cake board so that your cake does get a better grasp. Then what I went ahead and did is I added the simple syrup over the cakes, and then I filled them. In the filling there, I filled them with the whipped cream with the fresh strawberries diced up. So that is what you see there. And then to lock it in the center as a filling, I just went ahead and went over it once again with my piping bag. And I added whipped cream to seal that up. And here you see me adding in more of that simple syrup to the cake. And it's not necessary, it is a very moist cake on its own, but that is something that I do. So here, what you want to do next is crumb coat the cake. So you see me going around with my piping bag going around with the whipped cream. And I do use Great Value, guys. The Great Value brand works just fine. The Cool Whip, I have used that, and that works for me as well. But my go-to is definitely Great Value. Sam's Club whipped cream also works well. I've also used the whipping cream that comes in the cream form right at Great Value, or right at Walmart. And then I whip that, and of course add in the confectioner sugar, the powdered sugar, to it to give it flavor. So either of those works. Your best bet is just to see what works for you and go from there. The next step to get a smooth cake is go around in a circle there around the cake with your burnt scraper to even out the icing on the cake. And then of course you want to use these icing tool here to go ahead and even out the top, just going outwards in to remove the excess and make this as even as possible. Now, with my piping tip, I'm going around to add a border to this cake on the bottom, on the top as well. And I did go ahead and use the real roses to add on the top, but I do recommend that you use the floral tape around the stem of the roses, as you would not want to put the stem in direct contact with the cake. So I do recommend that, and that can be located at Hobby Lobby or the Dollar Tree, any bakery store. Walmart will have it as well. And then I'm just decorating the top as a finishing touch with the golden pearls. But I do hope that you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our growing family and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.